Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of seafood cooking. I know it can seem a bit intimidating, but I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. In fact, cooking seafood is pretty simple, and the results are absolutely delicious. Now, the first thing you need to know is how to tell if your seafood is fresh. For fish, look for bright, clear eyes that are not cloudy. The flesh should be firm and spring back when you press it gently with your finger. And it should have a fresh, mild ocean scent, not an overly fishy smell. For shellfish like clams, mussels, and oysters, make sure their shells are tightly closed or close when you tap them. Any that are open and don't close should be discarded. Shrimp should have a firm texture and a clean, briny smell. Once you've got your fresh seafood, you're ready to cook. And don't worry, I've got some quick and easy methods for you. One of my go-tos is pan frying. It's great for those busy weeknights when you want a restaurant-quality meal without the wait. Pat the fish fillets dry with paper towels. This helps with browning. Then season them generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs or spices. Get a skillet on medium-high heat. Add a little oil, and when it's hot, add the fish. Cook it skin side down, if it has skin, until it's crispy and the flesh is almost cooked through. Then flip it and cook the other side until it's done. Usually takes a few minutes per side, but it really depends on the thickness of your fish. Another winner is baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the fish fillets or shellfish on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle them with olive oil, season to taste, and add lemon slices or fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Bake until the fish flakes easily with a fork or the shellfish shells open. Now, remember, seafood cooks quickly, so don't overcook it. Use a meat thermometer to make sure the internal temperature reaches the safe level. 145 degrees Fahrenheit for fish. And don't forget to handle raw seafood separately from other foods to prevent cross-contamination. Wash your hands, cutting boards, and utensils thoroughly after handling raw seafood. And there you have it. You're on your way to becoming a seafood pro. Remember, start with fresh ingredients, choose easy cooking methods, and handle your seafood with care. The result will be worth it. A delicious, nutritious meal that you can feel good about serving. So what seafood dishes are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Happy cooking!